days when the road feels long and the weight of the world feels real. But there's a quiet, steady song in the courage that you feel. Cast aside what holds you back. Let the fear fall to the ground. Everything you think you lack was never lost, just waiting to be found. Just believe, cast your fears aside. Have faith and let your heart be your guide. With hope and love and a willing heart, everything works out. This is just the start. Look forward with an open eye. There is so much good ahead. Let the past just wave goodbye. Choose the path of hope instead. Faith is not about the knowing, it's about the steady step. Trusting something keeps on growing, even in the times you haven't seen it yet. Just believe, cast your fears aside. Have faith and let your heart be your guide. With hope and love and a willing heart, everything works out. This is just the start. There is love that surrounds you now. There is grace in every day. You don't need to know the how, just keep showing up and pray. Say to yourself, I am enough. Say to yourself, I will be fine. Even when the road gets rough, there is something greater in the design. So lift your eyes and face the light. Let your heart be full of peace. Everything is going to be alright. Let the worry find release. With faith and hope and love to guide, and a good and grateful heart, there is nothing left to hide. This beautiful life, this is just the start. Just believe, have faith, everything works out. This is just the start.